Hello, and welcome to the Basic and Advanced Search tutorial. We're going to start with the basic search by clicking this button in the upper left-hand corner. And for the basic search, we've got three fields: state, county, and commodity. So first, we'll scroll down and select Wyoming. And it should be noted that the fields automatically filter to whatever was selected beforehand. So now when we go to select a county, it is only going to bring up counties in Wyoming. So we'll just select Albany. And now we'll move on to commodity. First, we'll start by selecting the commodity guide, which is going to show all of the names for the commodities and their corresponding abbreviations. So for this example, we'll be using uranium, and that abbreviation is U. So now we will type in single quote U and end it with another single quote. And now we're bringing up results for Wyoming, Albany, and uranium. And when you click on a result, it will filter the map to show its location. Just make sure to deselect your result and reset your map before clearing your results. Next, we're going to see what happens if we don't include single quotes. So now it will bring up any commodities that contain the letter U, such as AU for gold or CU for copper, rather than just only bringing up uranium. So please make sure to include single quotes if you're looking for a specific commodity. Next, we'll move on to the advanced search, which again is just going to be in this upper left-hand corner. And for the advanced search, it's the same as the basic search, except we have three additional fields here: project, author, and mine. So we'll search for just Wyoming this time and hit apply. And I'm going to move my window and make it a little bit smaller by dragging the bottom right corner. I also wanted to show you guys the table by clicking this arrow down at the bottom, and the charts by clicking the arrow on the right. So we'll start with the chart, which is going to show the top locations with the highest number of records. So here we can see that Fremont County has 333 records. We'll go ahead and select Fremont County, and it will select it on the map and filter those results in the table. And we can clear our selection on the chart by clicking the little trash can, which will reset the map and the table. The next chart is going to be top commodities for the selected locations. So we can see that uranium is the most popular commodity with 591 records. Then for the table, you can select records. And let's select some of these down here. And you can click on this button to show only your selected records. And you can click this button to clear your selection. We'll select some more again. And now we can click this button on the end with the 4 dots, and hit Export Selected, where you can export to either a JSON file or a CSV. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.